Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Crenova XPE660 Multimedia Home Entertainment Video Projector. If you want to see how it works, please stay tuned. Okay, first things first, we're going to take a look at the front. As you can see, you see an IR receiver, focus lens, front adjustable foot, and an air intake port. On this side, you'll see two air exhaust ports. That's what moves all the hot air out. On the rear of the projector, you have an IR receiver, two USB ports, one power switch, AC input port, and two HDMI ports. Now you have this side, you have an AV input port, audio jack, VGA port, and a built-in speaker. On the top you have the name of the brand, and then over here you have rubber buttons. Right here is the power button. That is the back button, left and right. Over here you have the source, menu, OK button, down and up. On the bottom here you have rubber footings. And also at the sticker here, it shows you what model number you have. On the bottom here, you have a front adjustable foot, which if you go in this direction, it lifts up the machine. And I think it lifts it up to about an inch. That way you can tilt it up a little bit higher when you need to use it. Hey, looky here, if you push on the side, there's a filter. It's a washable filter that you can keep all the dust out of your machine. I think that's a really cool idea. That way you don't get dust in there. The accessories come in a nice box like this one. Comes with a warranty card, remote control without the batteries, a 3-in-1 AV cable, HDMI cable, and a power cord. It also comes with a Contact Us card, optical tissue premium tissues, a gift card for 20%, and also the user guide. As you can see, the screen takes up pretty much my whole side wall here. The only thing I wish I had a white screen for this. It would look awesome to watch videos on. The sound coming from the unit is pretty loud. Yeah, this is awesome. Right here I'm going to go through the keystone and correct the angle for which the machine is sitting at. If you can see it, it makes the top wider or shorter. That way it's nice and straight. I got this because I want to be making signs, and this will help me trace out the patterns. Right here is your sound settings. On-screen display, picture, time, and your options like on-screen displays and factory reset. Now I'm going to show you the source menu. You have AV, PC, HDMI 1 and 2, and USB. I'm going to pull up the USB and show you some of the pictures. And now it goes through the photo option, then you go to the file, and since we're going to a folder, some of these pictures I don't want to show you because they're copyrighted, but I wanted to show you the menu options of this. So if you can see here, it gives you some detail about it, and if you hit play, it'll go to the big screen. I have some of it blurred out, but you can see on the left there, it shows a real nice picture. And that's the menu at the bottom. I must have hit the wrong button. Okay. I don't want to go through these. Anyway, you can see the menu at the bottom. It tells you to pause or go next or stop, whatnot. And you can even show on a playlist. So hopefully you like this video. If you have any questions about it, please leave them in the comments section. I'll leave a link to in the description where you can purchase this machine. And hope you all stay safe. Happy woodworking, and I'll see y'all later. That's how it's done, son.